Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys. I am bringing this video to you because I want to do a quick product review on this Revlon hair dryer. Guys, I have used this on Charlie hair several times now and we absolutely love it. I give it a thumbs up. Charlie says she gives it 2 thumbs up. So without further ado, let me go into my review of this product. This product has been reviewed by several YouTubers and they love it. So I decided to do a review on it as well and use it on Charlie's hair for blowout state. And we did. And guys, this is what it looks like out of the box. It's pink and black. It's pretty big. These are pretty soft bristles. And I think it's very sturdy and it works very well. But guys, when I tell you, this thing has 3 levels. It has cool, low, and high. When I tell you that cool, it's not cold air, guys. It's a cool air with heat added to it. So it's like a soft heat, I guess you would say low heat. And then they have the low, which is a low heat, which I think is a high heat because that's the only level that I do on Charlie's hair. So I use low, but then they have that high. Honey, when I tell you that high is high, it gets hot. And if you have kinky hair that gets hot with heat, you might want to use the low because the high is going to have your hands burning, and Charlie hair holds heat, so it still has my hand burning. But I use it and I use it very carefully, guys. And when I use this on Charlie hair, if you watch my blowout video, we used heat protector. Guys, I suggest that you use a heat protector when you're putting any kind of heat on your hair, whether it be your hair or your children's hair. Now this is TRESemme, but you can use any product, guys, any product. So when I use this, okay? Now I'm gonna give you a listen to how this sounds. It's pretty loud, so listen. Now that was on high heat. Now let's go to cool, and high heat is very hot. When it this close to my face, I even felt the heat. So let me go to the cool air, which is the first level. Okay, still almost sounds the same, still loud. I think it may be a tad bit lower, but with the cool, again, like I said, you feel the heat is very low and you feel like a cool breeze come with it. So if you have very, very young children, I would suggest go with that one. But it will probably take you a little longer to dry it, but you won't be putting as much heat on it. The next level is low heat. Now, again, this is the level that I use on Charlie's hair. It's low heat, but it does heat up and it does dry your hair pretty fast. I would suggest that you do it in small sections, okay? Then the next one is the high heat, which gets very hot very fast. That high heat ain't no joke, honey. You're gonna do a few strokes, you're dry. When I tell you, I'm loving it. Now, if I had to say a couple of things that I do not like about this handheld hair dryer is it's so darn big. Can you see the size of this thing? Honey, what? You're gonna have to do arm lifts to keep up. I'm joking, you don't have to, but this baby's pretty big and it's not too heavy, but hell, I would like it to be a little bit lighter. Excuse my French. I would like it to be a little bit lighter, but it's a little heavy. So that's one thing I don't like about it. This part's too big. I think this part's a little too big, but it works. Guys, when blow drying out the hair, I've seen a lot of people go down this way on the hair. You can do that. I've done it, but it feels a little strange to me. So I'm usually going this way, okay? So you can do either way. The purpose is blow drying the hair, right? So if you go this way or if you go that way, who cares? But guys, I would say overall, this works very well. And if you want to use this, please do. If you have not seen my blowout video that I did on Charlie's hair, I'm going to link it below. I'm going to also try to put in a small clip of me blow drying her hair in this video. I may if I have time. If not, it's going to just be much quicker for me just to upload this and leave the link below so you all can watch the other video as well. So you know what? Yes, guys, I'm going to link the video in the description box where I did Charlie's blowout so that you all can watch it if you have not watched it, or if you need to go back and watch it again so you can actually see me use this hair dryer. It works very well. She loved it, guys. When I tell you she was all smiles, she rated this mug a 10 out of 10. She loved it. So guys, if you want to use this on your kids' hair, please feel free to do so. I got this from Walmart. They also sell it at Target. I also seen it on Amazon. It's only like 38 bucks, 40 bucks or something like that. I know it's less than 50. Okay, so guys, go out and buy it. I give it a plus, and you all will love this. But also, guys, when you're there, get a heat protector. Whatever kind you like, get one. But I use this, and I've been using it for years, and I love it, and it doesn't cost much. Now, the price on it, I can't remember, but it works very well. So guys, get it and use it. Also, guys, I am also going to do a product review video coming sometime after this, because I have new products I'm using, and I really think that they are helping Charlie's hair grow. If you've been watching our videos, you see this girl got hair for days now. It's growing, growing, growing. And guys, I tell you, I really believe that it's because we've been finger detangling her hair for over a year. We barely use a comb. We try hardly not to use a brush unless we smoothen out edges for ponytails. And because of that, I believe that that is what has her hair growing. And if you've seen our videos, you see that girl got some hair. So in my product review video that I'm going to be doing sometime later, I'm going to show those tips with you, show you the products that I'm using that are working very well with Charlie's hair, and you all can go out and buy them and use them as well. Guys, I want to thank you. I wanted to come on and do this very short review because I said I would about this hair dryer, so you all can get a good look of it and get my honest opinion on it. I really like it. Only thing I don't like is so big and bulky. You know, with me trying to do this with my hand, and I would like for it to be smaller. So I don't know if they have a smaller one. If they do, hey, I'm going to use this when we pay for it. We're going to use it, but I would prefer it to be smaller. So guys, if you go out and you see one that's smaller, try that one. The brand, I think, works very well. And at first I was thinking, nah, this wouldn't be good for black girls' hair. I thought it would be only good for, you know, white girl's hair. But no, honey, we can use this and it works. So go out and buy it, use it. You're gonna love it for yourself and your children as well. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.